And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Gmail notifications not working on Android. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are not receiving your Gmail's notification on your Android device, then it may be due to some errors in your permissions of notification. So for this, simply open your settings, go to your notifications, and check if everything is allotted or like permitted. So you can simply tap on app notifications and go and search for Gmail as well. And once you find it, you can simply turn on the toggle by turning it on the right hand side if it is currently turned off. So once you turn it on in the right hand side, you must be able to simply fix this problem, and now you will receive emails or like notification from your Gmails. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching, and we will be back again really soon.